Shraddha, we didn't get a chance to ask you before, but can you tell us about your association with Veet? How long it's been? How is it for you?
First of all, hi everyone. Thank you so much for being here. It's good to see all of you here. My association with Veet, I mean, I don't know where to begin. When you're growing up seeing a brand and then you actually end up endorsing it, it's pretty surreal. And it's a really, it's a very special moment. Like, you feel really proud. So I felt very proud when I got the opportunity to be the brand ambassador for Veet. Our association has been really special. It's been a while now that I've been on the brand, and I must say that pink has now definitely become one of my favorite colors. As do most girls.
Kind of like pink.
Love
yes,
pink.
We do.
Depending on the mood, you know, so definitely that. It's really amazing to be the face of a brand that is revolutionizing the way that girls, you know, go to get silky smooth skin. And are left smiling and very happy about that. So Veet does that. Veet makes all the girls feel that way. I feel that way. This contest that they've come up with is so exciting.
We're gonna get to the contest in 2 seconds. First, give them a little brief about, I mean, we saw a lot of girl gangs having fun, and that's the new trend. So I'm sure everyone here wants to know, what do you and your girlfriends do for fun? Where do you guys go or go hang out? Do you do trips like these?
Of course I do. And I have this, well, it's kind of cheesy, but it's kind of fun too. I have this group of my girlfriends, and we're called Fantastic Four, because we're 4 of us, so we're called Fantastic Four.
Fair enough, sounds good.
And we have our group also on WhatsApp saying Fantastic Four. We've grown up together, and we're the best of friends. So we've also traveled together, and it's the best way to just hang out with your friends. Don't you guys like love going with your girlfriends, take a nice break? I love doing that whenever I can. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to do it off late, but I hope to. But I think all girls like always look for that like girl time.
Absolutely.
And they're like, when do we plan our next holiday, or when do we like hang out next, or just go off to a nice destination? I'm sure even you do.
Yeah. Absolutely. I mean, I love traveling with my girlfriends, like you mentioned, and so this is where it gets really exciting. Veet has a chance to send a group of girls out to Bali, and Shraddha is going to take us through how you enter this contest. Tell us all about the contest. If I can get the tab, please. If someone can give us a tab so Shraddha can unveil the microsite. Someone's going to give that to me. I believe it's coming.
We're doing that tab thingamajig. There it is.
There we go. All right, so what Shraddha is going to be doing over here will also project up onto the screen, so you can understand how you get to be a part of this contest.
That's it. So you guys log on to, 1 second, I will also come to the site. So you can see Veet Girls on the Go, and you have to log in or make your account through Facebook. And then you have to upload.
Okay, so you upload a picture of your girl gang.
That is true.
Right?
A picture of your girl gang.
Oh, those are some fun pictures of you down there.
Some of my pictures, but you can also upload some nice fun pictures of you and your best friends, your girl gang.
Oh, great. And they allow you to choose a filter.
You can choose your filter.
Girls love that.
Yeah. Jazzed up the picture. Awesome. There we go.
And it's hashtag Veet Girls on the Go.
Don't forget to hashtag. That's a very important thing. You have to hashtag Veet Girls on the Go. And then you have to submit, and fingers crossed, your picture is chosen and you get this chance to travel, get some sun, get some sea, and travel with your friends to Bali.
We would love that. I think that this contest is going to be super, super...
a lot of fun.
A lot of fun, and it's going to be loaded with contest entries. It's very simple, like Shraddha just...
extremely simple. I have a lot of crazy pictures with my girlfriends, so I would just recommend that whoever's uploading the photos and when you guys are going to take part, just make sure pictures are fun and crazy, and hashtag Veet Girls on the go. Don't forget that.
And censor those photos is kind of what we heard, right? I'm just kidding. Okay, so it's really, really simple, like Shraddha took you to. Through all the girls out there, make sure that you log into www.veetgirlsonthego.com and follow those easy steps. Just upload that picture like Shraddha showed you how to do. Okay, now it's...
You can also throw in this sign.
Of course.
And make it more interesting.
The sign, Veet. Fantastic, that's great. So, Shraddha, are you open to taking some questions now from...
Sure, but I can't see anybody.
Can we get the house lights on, please?
Photo, okay.
Definitely ho jayega, okay.
Yeah. Okay, without the mic.
Wo So as Shraddha is doing her photo op, definitely think about your questions, audience members, please. Shraddha has, all right, so we've got the house lights on, please, if we can get those on. And if there are any questions at this time from the audience, if we can keep it to the brand and Shraddha's association.
Hello, kaisi hain aap?
Can we get a mic over here, please? This table yahan pe.
Can I ask in between?
Or just yell. There it is, it's coming.
हाय श्रद्धा, आपका जब एसोसिएशन वीट के साथ हुआ तो व्हाट इज़ योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि आप किसी भी ब्रांड का जब आप इंडोर्स करती हैं तो क्या चीज़ आप खुद देखती हैं उसको, ये बताएं.
आई थिंक आपने बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट तरीके से सवाल पूछा है. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी डेफिनेटली बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है जब आप डिसाइड करते हैं कि कौन से ब्रांड के साथ आप एसोसिएट होने जा रहे हैं. बहुत स्पेशल होता है जब आप, मतलब मैं छोटी थी और वीट के बारे में मुझे जानकारी थी और मैंने यूज़ भी किया था. तो जब कुछ साल बाद जब ये मौका आपको मिलता है और ब्रांड आप में इंटरेस्टेड हो जाता है कि दे फील दैट यू कैन इंडोर्स देम, बहुत स्पेशल होता है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी आपका एक्सपीरियंस रहा है उस ब्रांड के साथ. तो वो एक जो एसोसिएशन हो जाता है वो और आपके दिल के करीब हो जाता है ऑटोमेटिकली. एंड डेफिनेटली मैं ये विश्वास करती हूँ कि वन शुड ओनली इंडोर्स द ब्रांड्स दैट दे बिलीव इन. उसी को इंडोर्स कीजिए जिसमें आपको भरोसा है, and the one that you will use yourself also, and you will advise other people also to use it.
Hi, Shraddha.
Hi.
Yeah, we have women who always take care of their bodies, having smooth skin. What is your take on today's metrosexual male, and what kind of a guy would you like? Would you like him to be smooth or hairy?
Well, metrosexuality is, I think, a very interesting term. I think, I don't know if a lot of people are familiar with that term, but I think it's really nice to see a guy, if he's well dressed and he's, put himself together well, thoda uske bare mein socha ho, but definitely, and that's my personal taste, but I don't think that किसी भी चीज़ में there shouldn't be any sort of pressure, whether it's for a girl or it's for a guy. अगर आप एक लड़का हैं या लड़की हैं, कोई प्रेशर में one should not style themselves or do anything, any kind of thing under pressure कि यार peer pressure है या social pressure है, जो भी अपने दिल में है, one should definitely follow that and, you know, style themselves according to that and do whatever they would like for that. Yeah.
So Shraddha.
Huh?
How would you like your mail to be?
Okay. Well, that is a very, well, right now, you know, I'm very happy having the silky smooth skin. Let's just put it as that.
Silky smooth skin is for you only.
I'm happy to have silky smooth skin, and I'm sure a lot of girls are happy also to have silky smooth skin.
Absolutely. Next question, please.
So Shraddha, congrats for being the face of the Veet, and so since you are the
Thank
face,
you.
yeah, thanks. Since you are the face of the Veet, there must be a lot of people. I mean, the ladies who will be just buying this product just because of you, because your face only. So do you think that if this product or any of the product you endorse doesn't work that properly, you can be held responsible, or you can be questioned, like will you just get ready to answer, I mean to say, questions?
What do you mean a product doesn't work properly? It's not some
I mean to say-
machine or something that
I
can
mean to
break
say-
down. But,
yeah.
but as I said, there is a certain degree of responsibility, definitely. And I use Veet, and I'm happy using Veet, and I can only hope for the best. I can only hope and want that, you know, everybody else also enjoys using Veet, and makes them smile and gives them silky smooth skin, because it gives me silky smooth skin.
I think you said before, anyways, to answer the gentleman's question, that you only endorse products that you actually believe in and have used yourself.
And sorry if I may interrupt. And also, with all due respect, if nobody else believes in it, that's fine. You should respect them. But I believe in it, so I'm all for Veet.
Silk and fresh. Any other questions from the
So
audience? at
Shraddha,
this
whenever you just endorse a product, whenever you just go with a brand, are you aware of your on-screen, I mean to say your persona, your personality, whatever you reflect in your movies? Does it reflect in your, I mean to say, endorsements also?
I didn't really understand your question, because it wasn't very clear.
I just mean to say the kind of characters, the kind of roles you play in the movies. So does that kind of persona also reflects in your, I mean to say, the products you indulge with, you endorse?
Do you mean like, do I also think about choosing what kind of brand?
Yeah,
the way
yeah.
that I choose my roles?
Of course.
I think it's the one and the same kind of philosophy, right? अगर मुझे एक role में interest है, obviously, I mean, I wouldn't do a role that I'm not interested in or don't believe in playing. So the same thing applies to anything in life also. Now, don't do anything you don't believe in.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.